Do you want TalkBack to provide more information about images, icons, and what's on your screen? Your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra include powerful image and screen description feature that can help TalkBack explain visual content automatically. Let me show you how. First, open Setting, scroll down and tap Accessibility, tap TalkBack, tap Setting. Under the audio section, tap Image and Screen Description. Here you will find several options that control how TalkBack describe visual content. First, tap Detailed Screen and Image Description. By default, this option is turned off. When you enable it, TalkBack can provide more detailed description of images and screen content when available. So you can turn it on if you want more comprehensive spoken description. Then go back. Next, tap Automatic Image Description. Here you can choose all images, unlabeled images only, and don't describe images. By default, it's set to unlabeled images only. This is usually a good balance because TalkBack will only generate description when an image doesn't already have a label. Tap OK after making your selection. Now, tap Automatic Icon Description. You can choose all icons, unlabeled icons only, or don't describe icons. By default, this is also set to unlabeled icon only. This helps TalkBack identify icons that might not already have accessible labels. Tap OK when finished. Finally, tap Automatic Description for text in images. Here you can choose all images, unlabeled images only, or don't describe images. By default, this is set to unlabeled images only. When enabled, TalkBack can attempt to read text that appear inside images. Tap OK to save your choice. This setting helps TalkBack provide more useful information about visual content, especially when images or icons don't already include accessible labels. And that's how you customize image and screen description in TalkBack on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.